Hello guys, it's Susu. 안녕하세요 여러분, 수수예요. 오늘은 저의 중국 친구 My Chinese Collie와 함께 이 친구가 저한테 준 Chinese snack, 중국 간식들을 한번 같이 먹어보고 리뷰를 해보려고 합니다. Okay, here we go. Could you introduce your snacks to me?
Okay.
So,
Then
yeah.
with this one, right?
Yeah, let's start with the red one. So you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
So did your husband send them for you?
Yeah.
Because that they are your favorite.
Yes.
All right.
My husband sent all to me. Then I share it with you.
All right. So could you just read the titles?
In Chinese?
Yeah. What is
it's
that?
very funny. It's in Chinese.
In Chinese, just in Chinese.
辣就这脾气，又没吃你家大米。It's like, it's my business about spice. It's none of your business. something like that.
Okay. So let's try.
Okay.
So do you usually eat like this or
Yes.
just like this?
Yes. That's called a snack, right? Quite easy, quick. You can try.
It smells like mara taste.
Yes,
really.
it's mala taste. It's quite famous in China.
Oh.
This 金大洲. Yes.
I see. They look so red.
Yes, it's red. Or your chicken try. I hope you are enjoying it. Spicy, right?
Spicy. The mara taste is really strong.
Yes.
But you know, I love mara taste.
Yes.
It's good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, great. You have one
Oh,
more.
I just feel like mushroom from mara xiangguo or mara huaguo.
Yes, it is.
It's so nice. So guys, if you like the mara taste, that it is so nice. A very convenient, small, and portable. I love it. Yeah, that's so
great,
cool.
great. Actually, it's popular in here, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yes,
Oh,
I
really?
also find it on Shopee. You also can find, you search 金大洲, then it will show up. Because this one is the brand. This one is the flavor.
Oh.
So people like this, even though in Malaysia.
Okay, let's try next one.
Okay, let us try this one, right?
Oh,
It
what
will
is it?
introduce- This one is the seaweed. Yes, mala.
Also mala. Oh, okay.
No ma. Only la.
Only la, no ma.
You also can eat it as
Like this.
yes.
YouTuber is not easy, right?
Yes. Seaweed. How is that? If you like seaweed, then you are okay with this. You don't like?
I don't like seaweed things like this. I only can eat seaweed with soup. Because in Korea we have a seaweed soup.
Yes.
When we our birthday we always need to eat the seaweed soup. So that's fine. But I usually cannot eat seaweed, only seaweed like this. But it tastes just fine.
Yeah. Which one you like? This one.
Yeah, sure. I love mara.
Sun. In Chinese, it's called sun.
Sun. So is it bamboo?
Yeah.
Do you like a small baby bamboo?
Yes, it is.
Too spicy.
Yeah, no. Because of they smell, they think it.
Whoa. Interesting.
Yeah, you can eat with this. Start with this side.
From here.
Yeah. It's sour and spicy, right?
It's sour.
Not spicy? Later you will feel spicy, I guess.
Okay.
How is that? Not so good, right? I can tell from your face.
I can feel some spicy taste, but I'm not sure if this is from here or other spicy things
here, I guess.
from here. Something is spicy. I can feel some spicy, yeah. That's good. Which is really interesting. Oh, no, now I spicy. Now I can feel spicy. It's spicy.
Spicier than those two.
It makes me spicy later.
Yes, it is.
Okay, okay. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. It's very interesting. Feel like, oh, very Chinese. Like very China tea.
Yeah.
But it's also spicy one.
Yes.
Interesting.
Actually, those two is the same. Just also like bird chili inside, but change this vegetable
Ingredients.
to pinyin.
I see. Interesting. And actually, today is what was it? Today is Mid-Autumn Festival, and in Korea we call it Chuseok. And how does China call it?
中秋节.
中秋节. All right. So Chinese people really eat mooncake.
Yeah.
Mooncake for 中秋节.
Yes.
Oh, in Korea we don't eat mooncake.
Ah, so it's your first try mooncake.
Kind of, yes.
Yeah.
I already ate two, and it was supposed to be four, but I already ate two. But yeah, anyway, it's my first time to have a mooncake in Malaysia. I bought them, and yes, and the left flavor is York White Lotus mooncake, red bean mooncake.
Yeah. You bought it Queensbay, right?
Yeah, from Kingsbay. The mooncake was quite expensive. I'm quite shocked. Why mooncake is so expensive?
In here,
Oh, how about in China?
it's not expensive.
But it,
Everywhere is during the festival.
Malaysia. Yeah.
Very nice.
It's good. It's good. I can feel the whole egg. Or egg. How is it? Is it quite different from Chinese one or same?
I mean, even though in China they have different brands for different taste.
Alright.
Yeah.
So just how is it? Is it good? Is it fine? Barely enough? Bad? So.
Yeah.
Actually, this one is better than what I had already. This is a little bit salty with egg. So yes, I think it's better. Okay guys, thank you for watching today. Enjoy your holiday. 추석, 중추제.
Yeah, 中秋节.
Terima kasih, jumpa lagi. Bye.